let's look at using the text function in order to convert these raw values into a formatted value. For our first example, we have a deadline, but it's showing our raw value as 45651, which is the serial number for the date, but we actually want this in a usable date format. So let's go ahead and type equals text and then select our raw value that we want to convert. And then we need to type the format that we want to convert it to. So say, for example, we want the month, day, and then the year. We can go ahead and type, open quote, mm-dd-yy. And this will give us our specific date that we want. Another one, if we just want the day, we can type in dd, and this will give us Wednesday. Now if we want this long format, we can go ahead and convert this. So let's go d, comma, YYYY, and this will give us the long format of December 25th, 2024. Now for our money format, we want to go ahead and convert this value into something that's usable for our money. So go ahead and type equals text, select your raw value, and then open your quote, and we want to convert this to the currency value. So go ahead and put the hashtag for the placeholder, and then two more, the 0.00, and then hit enter, and this will convert it to money. Now for our numbers, we want to go ahead and convert this into 350.25. So for this, go ahead and type equals text, select your raw value, and then what you're going to go ahead and do, open your quote, and then put the number of zeros for the places that you want in front of the decimal point, put the decimal point, and then put the number of places that you want after the decimal point. Then hit enter, and notice how it converts it to 350.25. Now, say for example you have a p-value and you want it to be 4 places after the decimal point, you can convert that as well. Go ahead and select your raw value, and similar to the previous example, we want 1 decimal place in front of the decimal, and then we want 4 after the decimal. And it converts this p-value into 4 places after the decimal for us.